Hello everyone! If you're anything like me, finding time to cook a nutritious dinner after a long day can be a struggle. After a full day of work, the last thing you want to do is spend hours in the kitchen. But don't worry, I've got you covered. So today, I'm going to show you a fantastic dinner hack that's perfect for all the busy bees out there. A quick and delicious one-pan chicken and vegetables that you can whip up in just 30 minutes. This recipe is not only time efficient, but also packed with flavors and nutrients. Imagine coming home and having a wholesome meal ready in just half an hour. Sounds amazing, right? Let's dive into it. First things first, let's talk ingredients. The beauty of this recipe is its simplicity and flexibility. You'll need boneless, skinless chicken breasts, a mix of your favorite vegetables like bell peppers, broccoli, and carrots, plus some olive oil, salt, pepper, and any other seasonings you love. Feel free to customize the veggies based on what you have in your fridge. Garlic powder and paprika are my go-tos for this recipe. They add a wonderful depth of flavor. Now let's get chopping. Start by cutting the chicken into even pieces. This will ensure they cook uniformly. Uniform pieces mean everything cooks at the same rate, avoiding any undercooked or overcooked bits. For the veggies, chop them into bite-sized pieces, which helps in roasting them beautifully alongside the chicken. The smaller the pieces, the quicker they cook, and they get that lovely roasted edge. Next up, it's time to coat and season. This step is crucial for infusing all those wonderful flavors into your dish. In a large mixing bowl, toss the chicken and veggies with olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. The olive oil helps in roasting and adds a nice richness to the dish. Make sure everything is nicely coated. This is key for achieving that golden, delicious finish. You want every piece to be well seasoned for maximum flavor. Once everything is mixed, spread it out on a baking sheet. This step is important to ensure even cooking. You want a single, even layer. This allows the heat to circulate properly around each piece, giving you that perfect roast. Overcrowding can lead to steaming instead of roasting, so if necessary, use 2 pans. This way, everything gets that nice, crispy edge. Alright, into the oven it goes. This is where the magic happens. Bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes, or until the chicken is juicy and no longer pink in the middle, and the veggies are crisp tender. The high temperature ensures a quick cook time and a beautiful caramelization. Halfway through, give them a good toss to ensure even cooking. This helps in getting an even roast on all sides. And voila, you've got a vibrant, tasty meal ready to serve. The colors, the aroma, everything about this dish is inviting. This dish not only saves you time, but also minimizes cleanup thanks to our trusty one-pan method. Less time washing dishes means more time enjoying your meal. Serve this dish straight from the oven, maybe sprinkle some fresh herbs or a squeeze of lemon for an extra pop of flavor. These little touches can elevate the dish to a whole new level. There you have it, quick, simple, and utterly satisfying. A perfect balance of protein and veggies, all in one pan. Perfect for a weeknight dinner, right? It's a great way to end a busy day with a nutritious and delicious meal. Whether you're feeding yourself, your family, or impressing your friends, this one-pan wonder is a game changer. It's versatile, easy, and always a hit. Thanks for tuning in and happy cooking. I hope this recipe brings a little more ease and joy to your weeknight dinners. Remember, it's not just about saving time. It's about enjoying the process and the delicious results. Cooking should be a pleasure, not a chore. See you next time with more quick and easy cooking hacks. Stay tuned for more recipes that make your life simpler and tastier.